Dot. Idioms, phrases. Save someone's bacon. English meaning. Rescue someone from danger or difficulty. Hindi meaning. किसी को खतरे या कठिनाई से छुड़ाना. Idioms, phrases. Save your skin. English meaning. Save oneself from danger. Hindi meaning. अपने आप को खतरे से बचाओ. Idioms, phrases. See eye to eye. English meaning. To agree. Hindi meaning. राजी होना. Idioms, phrases. See red. English meaning. Upset, angry suddenly. Hindi meaning. अचानक क्रोधित होना. Idioms, phrases. Seed money. English meaning. Money allocated to initiate a project. Hindi meaning. एक परियोजना शुरू करने के लिए आवंटित धन. Idioms, phrases. Send someone packing. English meaning. Make someone leak in an abrupt. Hindi meaning. किसी को अचानक लीक करना. Idioms, phrases. Shifting sands. English meaning. Variable situation. Hindi meaning. परिवर्तनशील स्थिति. Idioms, phrases. Fire, shoot from the hip. English meaning. Say anything without care of someone's situation. Hindi meaning. किसी की स्थिति की परवाह किए बिना कुछ भी कहना. Idioms, phrases. Short shrift. English meaning. Little attention or consideration. Hindi meaning. थोड़ा ध्यान या विचार. Idioms, phrases. Sink or swim. English meaning. Either must succeed by his or her own efforts or fail completely. Hindi meaning. या तो अपने प्रयासों से सफल होना चाहिए या पूरी तरह से विफल होना चाहिए. Idioms, phrases. Sit pretty. English meaning. In a good or beneficial situation. Hindi meaning. अच्छी या लाभकारी स्थिति में. Idioms, phrases. Sit well with. English meaning. To agree with or accept. Hindi meaning. सहमत होना या स्वीकार करना. Idioms, phrases. Sitting duck. English meaning. A very easy target. Hindi meaning. एक बहुत ही आसान लक्ष्य. Idioms, phrases. Slap on the wrist. English meaning. A little punishment. Hindi meaning. थोड़ी सी सजा. Idioms, phrases. Slippery customer. English meaning. Someone you should not trust. Hindi meaning. जिस पर आपको भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Idioms, phrases. Photo finish. English meaning. A close contest, a race or contest in which contestants are so close to finish. Hindi meaning. एक करीबी प्रतियोगिता, एक दौड़ या प्रतियोगिता जिसमें प्रतियोगी खत्म होने के इतने करीब हैं. Idioms, phrases. Pie in the sky. English meaning. Thought which is unlikely to happen. Hindi meaning. सोचा जो होने की संभावना नहीं है. Idioms, phrases. Play by ear. English meaning. To decide what to do when you know what is happening rather than planning in advance. Hindi meaning. पहले से योजना बनाने के बजाय ये तय करना कि क्या करना है जब आप जानते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. Idioms, phrases. Poker face. English meaning. An impassive expression that hides one's true feelings. Hindi meaning. एक भावहीन अभिव्यक्ति जो किसी की सच्ची भावनाओं को छुपाती है. Idioms, phrases. Prim and proper. English meaning. Having very traditional morally conservative beliefs and behavior. Hindi meaning. बहुत पारंपरिक नैतिक रूप से रूढ़िवादी विश्वास और व्यवहार होना.